Hi everybody, Diane Kochilas here. Today's recipe is for cauliflower bites roasted in a mixture of tahini, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, spices, olive oil, and one little surprise. So let's get started. The first thing we want is tahini, and I'm using an unhulled tahini from northern Greece, from the area of Evros. It is organic. Into that, I'm spooning and whisking some Greek yogurt, a little bit of olive oil, a touch of Greek honey. This is a sauce that's a combination of sweet and spicy, a little bit of curry, a little bit of cumin, either hot or sweet paprika, whatever you like. A little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of salt. This is Greek sea salt. And some strained fresh lemon juice. Start whisking this. So we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of water. Whisk it carefully. Lemony, nutty, it's a little bit of heat, and all those wonderful warm spices. Just a little bit more water in here because I want it to be a little looser. We want to get our cauliflower into the bowl. This is something you could serve almost the way you would serve fritters. It's just it could be both a snack and a vegetable side. And this is pretty much ready. I've lined a sheet pan with parchment paper, and I have a little secret. In the corners of the sheet pan, I add a little bit of dried sage. And when this roasts, it will emit this beautiful smoky sage flavor. We want to get our cauliflower pieces on the baking sheet. Tahini, by the way, if you don't already know this, is one of the most nutritious ingredients in all of the Mediterranean. It's a really great source of calcium. So I've got my oven preheated to 375 Fahrenheit. That's 180 Celsius. And we will roast these until they're nice and crisp and brown. And we can enjoy them as they are, hot out of the oven, or with a little bit of yogurt on the side, or another kind of dip. It's up to you. Use your imagination. So these are going into the oven right now. The cauliflower is soft. It's got this beautiful brown, caramelized, nutty exterior, and that's exactly what we want. You can top this if you want for a little bit more color with some paprika or some spicy cayenne if you'd like.